name is Matt Van Grunsven. I'm Director of Marketing for Cruisers Yachts, and here I want to show you the world premiere of the 34 GLS at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. We've powered the boat with twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verados, where we get a maximum speed of about 46 to 47 miles per hour. We have this unique feature in this lid right here, where when we tilt the engines up, we tilt the lid up as well, but when the engines are down, we've increased our platform area for easy access to the port or starboard side. Then we have two transom seats, port side, starboard side. The starboard side converts into a sun lounge with this becoming the backrest for sunbathing, and then we also have an overhead shade as well to get out of the shade, in the shade or out of the shade. As we enter the cockpit, we have dual L-shaped opposing seats for great entertainment, and then on the aft port corner we have a wet bar with an optional grill, optional refrigerator or ice maker with sink, with trash and storage. Also underneath we have ample amount of storage underneath all of the seating on the starboard side as well as the port side. And then as we move forward, our helm is positioned on the starboard side with optional dual screen Simrad electronics, Mercury joystick, Mercury controls. There's an optional refrigerator underneath the helm seat, and then an optional opening shade in the hardtop. As we move forward to the bow through the port side walkway, we have a large U-shaped seating area with table that can convert to a sun pad. There's also an optional sunshade for the bow area as well. Forward is windlass with anchor. Other features in the bow area is there's a cooler underneath this seat. We have built-in armrest with cup holders. And we also have stereo control for the Rockford Fosgate that can control the bow area or the entire boat. We are now in the accommodations level of the 34 GLS. It's a mid-cabin where we have a dinette with opposed seating on the port and starboard side. We have a refrigerator situated to the port side, a TV, a microwave, and as well behind me through this door is a full stand-up head with shower, and then there's a cuddy aft. Well, that's a wrap for the walkthrough of the 34 GLS. I'm Matt Van Grunsven with Cruisers Yachts, Director of Marketing. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope to see you on one of our yachts soon.